everyone! It has been a hot freaking minute. Like a hot minute. COVID happened. I feel like that's a valid excuse for anything. My bakery business has also kind of picked up a little bit. And in light of that, I'm going to be doing some more kind of cake decorating, baking kind of videos. But today we are in the Walmart parking lot. I'm waiting for my grocery pickup order. This is so easy. I'm sure lots of people already know about this, but if you didn't know, you can do a pickup order through Walmart to pick up your groceries, and it's free and you don't have to go grocery shopping, so it's pretty fantastic. For those of you that are gluten-free, maybe you thought, oh, it's Walmart, like they don't have gluten-free stuff. But Walmart totally has a really great selection of gluten-free stuff, and it's growing every day. Sometimes I have issues with finding some of their gluten-free products on the grocery pickup order app. So if what I'm specifically looking for isn't on there, then I'll have to just go into the store to get it. Hopefully they can get that fixed because that's a little bit annoying. Also, side note, the grocery pickup is bomb because then you don't have to wear a mask, and that's just wonderful. It always takes so long to do a grocery pickup order on a Monday. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but it takes so long because they're so busy. For all of my nerdy friends out there, I've got my Switch because I've learned from this. So I have my Switch to keep me occupied while I wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. Also, I'm thinking of starting a gaming channel because I am a bit of a nerd. My husband and I, our whole house is decked out in like Nintendo gear. So I might start a gaming channel. I'll keep you updated on that. Alright, that didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. We got our groceries. You can see our Mountain Dew. We definitely are gamers. We love doing games. But I will pick back up when I get home. I wanted to show you guys my cute fall decorations that I've got up. I'm in love. Today we are going to be making some warm, toasty, yummy chicken noodle soup. And of course it's gluten-free, but can be made otherwise. If you'd like to see how to make it, keep watching. Alright peeps, let's get started. This is how I prepped the chicken. I did salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some thyme. I saw that on a recipe for chicken noodle soup and it turned out super yummy. Then I chopped up some carrots and celery. I like to chop them up really as thin as I can so that the cooking time goes by a lot faster because they always take so long to cook. This is the chicken when it came out of the oven and it turned out so yummy and moist, and I love the thyme on it. It just added that perfect flavor. I decided to saute the carrots and celery because it always takes so long to cook, like I said. So I sauteed them for a little bit in a little bit of oil to speed up that cooking time, and then I added the broth ingredients and everything and cooked it for a little bit longer. This is the chicken. I kind of drained out some of the oil and, the runoff water, and then I decided to make the noodles separately because I was doing gluten-free. If you're doing regular noodles, you can just cook the noodles in the broth along with the vegetables, but gluten-free noodles tend to fall apart if they cook for too long, so I've learned to do them separately and add them at the very end. So then I drained the noodles, and you don't rinse gluten-free noodles, you just drain off all of the liquid because if you rinse them, that makes them fall apart. And then I just added them to my mixture, and I just chopped up the chicken pretty fine, just into, small pieces. And it turned out really yummy. I really love the soup. Definitely going to be making it again many times this fall and winter. Let me know if you guys try it out. And if you do, make sure to tag me in it at Little Liesl Creations. And I would love to see your creations. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye!